In this video, we will discuss the 5 best spy camera. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. HiSpyCam Hidden Camera Charger. Introducing you to the HiSpyCam Hidden Camera Charger, a game changer in home security and surveillance. This ingenious device not only charges your devices, but also doubles as a powerful spy camera, offering remote home surveillance via a user-friendly app. With its 140-degree wide-angle lens, stay connected from anywhere with the HiSpyCam Hidden Camera Charger. Link your small nanny cam to Wi-Fi, and you'll have instant access to live video feeds through the app, allowing you to monitor your home or office in real time. Effortless video recording is a breeze with this device. Simply insert a micro SD card, plug it in, and it automatically records, seamlessly deleting old files when the card is full, ensuring continuous surveillance. The HiSpyCam Hidden Camera Charger is equipped with a smart motion detection feature that keeps you informed at all times. Receive instant push notifications and snapshots on your phone whenever motion is detected. Customize the settings to record events directly to the micro SD card, making it easy to playback, download, and manage footage through the user-friendly app. Number 2. ZDO Small Spy Camera. Experience unparalleled surveillance with the ZDO Small Spy Camera, a cutting-edge device that redefines home security. Boasting a super wide-angle lens and full HD 1080p resolution, this mini spy camera ensures crystal clear images and videos, allowing you to capture every detail with exceptional clarity. This small spy camera utilizes smart technology to instantly send notifications to your mobile phone, providing real-time motion detection alerts. Nighttime surveillance is no longer a challenge with the ZDO Small Spy Camera's excellent night vision effect. This mini Wi-Fi wireless camera delivers high-quality video and images, capturing crystal clear footage in 3 resolutions: Ultra HD, HD, and Normal Clear. Enjoy the convenience of a super wireless camera with a ZDO Small Spy Camera. Supporting both iOS and Android remote viewing through the app, you can share your pet camera with other users and play videos anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Librefly Full HD Hidden Camera Clock. The Librefly Full HD Hidden Camera Clock is a discreet and ingenious solution for your security needs. At first glance, it appears to be a regular clock, seamlessly blending into any indoor setting. However, concealed within its unassuming design lies a tiny lens that captures every detail with remarkable clarity. This hidden camera boasts a wide 140-degree angle, ensuring comprehensive coverage and protecting your property with the utmost discretion. Prepare to be amazed by the crisp, full HD 1080p video quality. Enhance your security with the intelligent AI motion sensor. When movement is detected, a real-time notification will be sent to your cell phone, and the camera will automatically start recording and saving clips to the SD card. Enjoy unparalleled night vision capabilities with the Librefly Hidden Camera Clock. Equipped with 5 invisible infrared lights, you can capture faces and other details with exceptional clarity, even in complete darkness. Number 4. Ovehel 64GB Spy Camera. This Ovehel 64GB spy camera is a discreet and powerful surveillance solution designed to provide you with uncompromising security. This hidden camera comes equipped with a generous 64GB internal memory, allowing you to capture crucial moments without the need for an additional storage card. Seamlessly integrate this device into your routine and never waste time or energy searching for compatible memory cards again. Offering unparalleled flexibility, the Ovehel 64GB spy camera operates without the need for Wi-Fi or an accompanying app, making it the perfect choice for environments without network connectivity. Designed with convenience in mind, The Ovehel 64GB spy camera boasts an impressive 5-7-hour battery life, courtesy of its superb 1,200 mAh battery. This extended runtime surpasses conventional mini cameras, allowing you to capture footage without frequent recharging interruptions. Even in total darkness, the built-in 10 infrared lights provide clear displays, enabling you to recognize faces and identify potential intruders, safeguarding your home or property around the clock. Number 5. Hoeujia DIY Mini Spy Camera. Experience discreet surveillance with the Hoeujia DIY Mini Spy Camera, a versatile and customizable solution for your security needs. This wireless hidden camera allows you to seamlessly integrate it into any environment, disguising it as ordinary objects and ensuring its existence remains undetected. Stay vigilant with the intelligent motion detection feature. Once enabled, the hidden camera will automatically start recording when movement is detected within its field of view, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment. The Hoeujia DIY Mini Spy Camera offers versatile power supply options to suit your needs. Utilize the built-in battery for up to 6 hours of continuous recording or over 30 hours of standby time, providing exceptional flexibility.
All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.